Hi, hello everyone. I'm Prof. Manny and welcome sa ating online classroom tutorial. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung celebration every August 19, yung Quezon City Day. Pero kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa ating channel, paki-click yung paki-like and share and subscribe para for support dito sa ating online classroom tutorial para mas gaganahan pa tayo mag-create ng more content, no? Alam niyo naman yung tutorial natin is mix topic, no? Pwedeng programming, pwedeng networking, computer system servicing, animation, multimedia, and yung general information. Okay? So, shoutout ko lahat ng student ng grade 11 and 12 ICT and Systems Plus Computer College. Okay? So, once again, hello mga ka-educators, student at mga viewers. Welcome back sa ating channel. For today's video, pag-usapan natin yung isang importanteng pagdiriwang sa Metro Manila, ang Quezon City Day, na ginugunita every August 19. Pero ano nga ba yung Quezon City Day, no? Day. Bakit August 19? No? Bakit August 19 ito pinagdiriwang? At ano ang kalaga nito sa kasaysayan ng ating bansa? Okay? So, tara, alamin natin. So, what is Quezon City Day? Ang August 19 ay Quezon City Day, isang special day na nagbibigay pugay kay Manuel Luis Quezon, ang dating Pangulo ng Commonwealth of the Philippines at ang taong ipinangalan sa Quezon City. Ang August 19 ay birthday ni Manuel Luis Quezon na isinilang noong August 19, 1878 sa Baler, Tayabas na ngayon ay isang bahagi ng Aurora Province. Kaya bawat taon ginagamit yung araw na ito para alalahanin ang kanyang contribution sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Okay, so ang tanong, who is Manuel Luis Quezon? Okay, in 1978 was the first president of Commonwealth of the Philippines, serving from 1935 to 1944. He is widely known as the father of national language for his efforts to establish a national language for the Philippines, which eventually became Tagalog-based Filipino. Okay? So, si Manuel Luis Quezon ay isang importanteng leader ng Philippine history. Siya ang unang Pangulo ng Commonwealth of the Philippines at naging malaking bahagi ng paghahanda ng Pilipinas tungo sa pagiging isang malayang bansa. Isa rin sa mga bagay na madalas nating inaalala tungkol sa kanyang pamumuno ay ang pagsusulong ng pagkakaroon ng pambansang wika. Kaya hindi natin lamang siya isang political leader, malaki rin yung naging papel niya sa paghuhubog ng ating national identity. Okay, so ngayon, why is called Quezon City? Okay, so alam niyo ba na ang Quezon City ay ipinangalan kay Manuel Luis Quezon? Itinatag ang Quezon City noong 1939 na panahon ng kanyang presidency. Noong una, ang layunin ay magkaroon ng bagong capital city ang bansa na maaring mag-serve na sentro ng pamahalaan. At noong 1948, naging official capital ng Pilipinas ang Quezon City bago muling ibinalik ang capital sa Manila noong 1976. Today, ang Quezon City ay isang pinakamalaki at pinakaimportanteng lungsod sa Quezon City. So, Quezon City is named in the honor of Manuel Luis Quezon, the first president of Commonwealth of the Philippines. The city was established under his administration in 1939. President Quezon created a new capital city for the nation that would replace Manila, which was becoming overcrowded and vulnerable to flooding and maritime attacks. He envisioned a model city that was spacious, central, located, and designed with the comprehensive. Okay? So, ngayon, ang Quezon City 80th Foundation Day, no? Why should we remember Quezon City Day? Bilang Pilipino, mahalagang alam natin ang history behind the place where we live study, and work. Ang Quezon City ay hindi lang tungkol sa isang holiday. Now, it is also an opportunity to remember the people and events that help shape our country. Para sa ating mga students, mas magandang pagkakataon ito para matuto tungkol sa Philippine history, leadership, government, and culture, and national identity. Okay? So, that's all guys, and see you in my next tutorial. Okay? So, bye-bye.